Hello, today we are going to learn how to round numbers to significant figures. This is the one thing that you must remember. The first significant figure is the first non-zero digit in the number counting from the left. Here you have two numbers, 0.00302. According to this one, the first significant figure would be the first non-zero one. So it's not this zero, not this one, not this one, but it's going to be this one. So digit 3 is the first significant figure. And in the second number, again, counting from the left, the first non-zero. So it's not going to be this one, it's going to be digit 1. Here, we are going to identify the first, the second, and you can continue and do the third significant figure if you want. So the first significant figure for 36,400 is going to be digit 3. So it's going to be the 3. And the second one, obviously, is going to be the digit after that, so next to it on the right, so it's the 6. For the second number, 0.231, the first significant figure is going to be the first non-zero, so it is the 2. And the second significant figure, it is the digit next to it is the 3. Now, for the number 0.000364, as you see, there's 4 zeros in front of the significant figure. So the 3 is the non-zero one, so 3 is going to be the first significant figure, and the second significant figure is the second non-zero, so it is going to be digit 6. And now here we are going to round to write correct to the first, second significant figure. And if you want, you can continue and write correct to the third significant figure. I have prepared some steps here, which we will follow one by one. Now, how do we find the first significant figure, or how we're going to write correct to the first significant figure? We have the number 36,400. Step number 1 says, underline the significant figure. So it is going to be 3. There is no 0, so it's the first non-zero, no zeros in front, so the 3. And then second step says, if the next digit is 5 or bigger than 5, then you round up, which means the significant figure becomes a 4. There we go, so write 4 here. And make sure the rest of the digits are 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros we need to add. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the second significant figure, we are going to do exactly the same thing, but we're going to keep the 3 the same. So we are going to circle. I'm going to put a little dot for the second significant figure. So this is the second one. And then we're going to put 3. The next digit after the second significant figure is 4, so is less than a 5, which means we are going to round down. So leave the 6 as it is, 6, and make the rest of the digits 0. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros to add. And here's a number. Round it to the first significant figure, so the same number, and round it to the second significant figure. We will continue with the second one, 0.231. The first significant figure is 2. I'm going to underline digit 2. And I'm going to look at the next digit, digit 3. It is less than 5. So we are going to write all the digits in front exactly as they are. So we have 0.2 less than 5. So 3 and 1 becomes 0. 0, 0. You can simply leave it as 0.2. That is not a problem. And then to the second significant figure, I'm going to put a little dot. Second significant figure is digit 3. The digit next to it is a 1, is less than 5. So we keep the digit in front the same. So we have 0.23 and make the rest after the second significant figure 0. So simply 0.23. So you can rewrite it here, 0.23. And that is absolutely fine. And you can write this one here as 0.2. So equals 0.2 equals 0.23. Let's have a look at this one. So the first significant figure I'm going to underline, it's a digit 3. And the second one is 6, so it's bigger than 5. So I'm going to round up. So 3 becomes a 4. Keep the rest of the digit in front of 3 the same, and all the rest are on the right, they become 0. So we are going to have 0.1230. So 1, 2, 3. 3 becomes a 4, and then 0, 0. Or write the same decimal number without those two zeros at the end. Rewrite them. Now, to write to the second significant figure, the second significant figure is digit 6. So I'm going to put a little dot. Right, and I'm going to write this number to this significant figure. So the next digit on the right is 4, so it's less than 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the 6, 6. Keep the rest of the digit in front of 6, exactly the same. So we have 0.00003, and 6 the same, because 4 is less than 5, and 4 becomes a 0, just like that. 0.1045 to the first significant figure. The first significant figure is digit 1. And if you look at the number next to it on the right-hand side, 0 is less than 5. So we are going to round down. So we keep the numbers, 1 stays the same, and 0 stays the same, obviously. So 0.1, the rest of them become 0, 0, 0, 0, or 0.1. To round to the second significant figure. The second significant figure is going to be the 0 itself. It doesn't matter if it's a 0 because it's somewhere in the middle of the number. It's not at the front of the R number. And then look at the number next to it. The number on the right is 4. Again, it's less than 5. So 0 stays the same. And then keep all the digit in front of 0. So on the left, keep them the same. So you have 0.10, and then 4 and 5 become 0. So 0, 0. And here you go. You can rewrite this as 0.1. There you go. 0.1, 0.1. Lovely. And then here again, the same steps that I'd like you to follow to write these 3 numbers correct to 2 significant figures. This is your independent work. Please follow the steps correctly. So remember, first thing, you need to identify the significant figure, underline it, and then all the digits in front of that should stay the same. But the digit after that, now the significant figure itself depends, it could be 1 bigger if the number next to it is 5 or bigger than 5, or could stay the same. But the rest of the digit after becomes 0. So this is the little clue that you have to remember. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.